Like is about enjoying something, while love is a much deeper, stronger feeling of affection. Number one, I blank pizza and eat it often. What do you think? Like or love? When you are talking about food that you eat often, you are showing a very strong preference and an intense commitment to enjoying it. Even though we usually say like for enjoyment of things, when that enjoyment is so strong that it makes you do it often, we naturally use love in everyday English for things like food. It means your enjoyment is intense. So for number one, love is a better word. I love pizza and eat it often. Number two, I blank my dog very much. The words very much are a huge clue here. They signal a strong, intense feeling. The relationship with a dog is typically one of deep devotion and affection. That's why love is a perfect fit. I love my dog very much. Number three, she blanked swimming in summer. Swimming is an activity she does and enjoys during a specific season. When describing an activity that brings pleasure, the word is typically like. It means she enjoys it. So we'll stick with like. She likes swimming in summer. Number four, he blanked his mom so deeply. This one is another easy win. Your mother and the clue so deeply takes it straight to the top of the emotion scale. Your mother is family and the relationship defined by the strongest level of deep affection. So, no question about it, the word is love. He loves his mom so deeply. Again, like is about enjoyment, and love is about deep affection. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, who works hard to make these lessons for you, so please like and subscribe. I love it if you did. I'll see you next time. Bye.